Okay guys, welcome back to Extraordinary Vlog. In this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken congee, aka Bubur Ayam. Let's start with the ingredients. You need about 2 cups of rice. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. And then you need about 14 cups of water or chicken stock or chicken broth. And then you need 5 cloves of garlic, 3 to 5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster soy sauce, and some cooking oil. And then of course you need chicken meat. First of all, what you need to do is to stir fry the garlic. Add some cooking oil in there. And then you add the garlic. And then you turn on the heat. Stir fry the garlic. Stir fry it until it gives a wonderful aroma. There you go. The smell is wonderful. Turn off the heat. And then the next step is to add the shredded chicken. What we need to do is to shred the chicken is to use a mixer. And just dump it all in there. Next you add 5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Turn up the heat again. To make sure that the aroma from the sesame oil is infused to the chicken meat. Next, you add 2 cups of rice. And then 14 cups of water or chicken broth. And then you can add the oyster sauce. And some salt and pepper. Stir it all in there. Next, you close the lid and turn up the heat. All you can do right now is to wait for the steam to build up some pressure, and for this thing to start giving off some steam. Okay guys, the steam is already coming out of the pressure regulator here. It means that the pressure is already enough. Now what we can do right now is turn down the heat to low. And then wait for 20 minutes. I'm going to set my timer here to 20 minutes and just wait for the process to take place. See you guys in the next 20 minutes. Okay guys, 20 minutes is almost over. Now, turn off the heat. And you can wait for this thing to cool down before you can open the lid. Let the pressure all... Or if you are not patient enough, you can just pull this pressure regulator and you can get rid of all the pressure and you can open the lid right away. Alright guys, here is the final product. Look at that nice thick creamy perfect consistency, and the smell is really nice. The aroma is awesome. You can put some different toppings on there, like some extra chicken or cut up yao tiao, aka Chinese donut, eggs, or whatever you like. See you guys next time in my next video.